Hey friends, welcome to a new episode of Unboxing Flatlay, where we share our favorite design materials as well as bring back the excitement and the visceral experience of exploring new product. I'm Brandon.
And I'm Ariel, principal of Ariel Fox Design, coming at you from Los Angeles. And today we're taking a break.
No, it's still rolling. Go. What are we doing today, Ariel?
Concept today is naturally neutral, and we've been in 50 Shades of Grey for way too long. So today we're going to take it nice and easy and do a warm grayscale tone for you all, because it's so easy. It mixes and matches with all of your genres, and you can't go wrong. It makes you feel good, makes you feel nice and cozy, and
at the end of the day, we're talking about unity.
Yeah.
Let's go. Starting out today, we'll begin from Agora Natural Surfaces, the Nordic Gray Satin Marble Sample. This is a beaut.
Ooh-wee! So this is like walking on clouds.
Oh,
it is like the reverse of your Carrera. So it's a gray background with white veining, and it is just delicious. The slab of this is so dreamy, and it would work with so many different design styles.
51 shades of gray. How about a wood sample? We got some flooring here. We have from Resawn Timber, a weathered western hemlock.
This one has a really great texture to it, and it doesn't have a lot of the knots, so this is a really clean wood flooring. It's very contemporary, and the color of this is a really beautiful warm gray. I think it's just like a really elegant floor. Yeah,
I love that one a lot. From Porcelanosa, we've got a beautiful tile. This is croissant.
And this one's really cool. It's huge, guys. It's 13 by 39 inches. So in your shower, you're gonna have very little grout lines. And installed, again, wait till the end of the video so you can see this installed. It looks almost like a woven fabric, the way that the 3D dimensions are kind of intersecting, but it's really, really, really luxurious.
Beautiful graphic. How about over here? Tambour sample, some gray laminate from Surfing Solutions.
This one's a low profile, so this will be really great for doors, for radiuses as well. And I love the color. It has like some white in the gray as well, so it gives it a little more depth. And yeah, we're just all about Tambour these days.
Tambour. How about from Texton, we've got the natural mineral limestone cement exterior plaster. Ooh. That's a mouthful. Felt like Jim Carrey there for a minute.
We'll try installing this because this is not for the faint of heart, but it is gorgeous. As you can see, there's some agate flakes in here. Be sure to tell your installer that this is going to be quite labor intensive. If you guys have done plaster before, you know it takes a lot of layers to get the plaster right, but they also have to add in these little agate pieces and then grind those down. So my installer was really kind of mad at me when I put this on a project, honestly. But it's so beautiful, like beauty is pain sometimes.
Beauty is pain?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Love is madness.
Women know this.
All right, what do you have in your hand?
This is Opuzen.
Yeah, okay. This is cool. Here,
this is Reynolds, and it's a beautiful woven.
Here, let me hold it for you.
Yeah. It's just a nice neutral woven. This would be just beautiful for drapery. And I just love the opacity of the light, kind of makes it glow. Yeah. Last one here. And
finally, from rosemaryhallgarten, we have got...
It's called the Grid.
The Grid?
Yes. This leather incisal. And it has beautiful texture. It'll be very durable. Believe it or not, hair and hide actually is quite stain resistant if you're able to, sop up the wine immediately and don't let it sit for a month.
Are you speaking from experience?
But this is a great sort of neutral rug. I would even actually put this, in the living room. It's maybe not good for the bedroom because it's a little bit scratchy.
A little rough and scratchy, but very durable, and it looks phenomenal in any space.
Yeah, it's very elegant.
Cool. I think that's all we got.
Yeah.
Well, friends, that will do it for this episode of Unboxing Flatlay. Everything that we talked about will be in the description box below with hot links. Continue to share, like, subscribe. Guys, we really appreciate your support. Keep it up.
Yeah, thank you. And also, let us know if you've used any of these products before. We'd love to engage with you. And please stay and watch these install photos coming up. They are so good this time. Thank you so much, guys, and we'll see you on the next episode of Unboxing Flatlay.